Okay guys, welcome back to Darish Zone. Another video with a fantastic retro machine Omega 512 gigabytes. I released this at the end of the previous year, and for the 2023 there's a lot of new surprises, new image, new project. The incoming Retro Machine Pro for the PC that will be way more powerful. There will be new systems, so lot of going on, but we still focus on the Retro Machine Omega, which is for the PI4. And in this video I want to talk to you about some things, some arguments. First of all, remember that the deal for the VIP at 7% deal, basically 1/3 of the donation entry to become a VIP member for lifetime, one-time donation to have VIP lifetime. And the VIP, you have access to bonus rooms, bonus support, all the works that I made included Retro Machine Omega, only for $10. So if you want to join us, this is the time, because at the end of this month the entry donation will back to normal, which was before, which was $30. So it's 1/3, $10 instead of $30. Okay, and this is the only way to have the Retro Machine Omega, which is a private image, and it is shared between VIP. Okay. But there's another exciting news. I've added a new seed box to share image privately to selected users, but I can't add I have a limited number of slots for this seed box, so I can allow everyone to join in. Only a limited number of users can download directly the image from a specific dedicated seed box. I call this boost mode. It's different than torrent file. You just download directly from the seed box at high speed. I repeat, high speed. It's a matter of hours to download 512 gigabytes of stuff. Okay, so if you struggle with the torrent and you want direct access to the seed box, just join my Discord channel. You will see the description, the invite in the description. Join Discord, ask for a VIP, then DM me directly, contact me, direct message me, and ask for a boost. With a little extra donation, I will allow you to connect directly to a seed box and download high speed the image. Why the bonus donation? Because I just pay to have this extra seed box, which works all for you. So I can't allow the seed box that already shared the image between the user, because that will slow down the process. Okay, I have to set a specific seed box for that, and the seed box, it costs me. Okay guys, I pay the seed box with the donation, not going to pay, and will not happen that I pay with my pockets the seed box. With high performance are expensive. Okay, so they not comes for free. No way I will pay with my pockets, otherwise I will close everything. until it's sustained by the donation, there's not problems. So for that you have to donate if you want to keep back this dream. Otherwise this will going to disappear, my friends. I'm sorry, but it's just like that, okay? But I got a lot of love from you, so I'm very impressed that you respect my work, you like my work, and you have not afraid to donate something, just a little amount that will not change your life, just to help me and keep this dream on. When you have on your hand the perfect image for the PI4, you just start that you put you hard-earned money on the right hands, okay? So if you want to boost and direct the Omega image in a couple of hours, just ask for a VIP and then send me a message private on Discord, and I will explain you how to connect to the special seed box, okay? So this argument is done, but I want to talk about also about the new add-on and fix that I have added to the repository of Retro Machine Omega, which you can find, of course, on a VIP special channel with all the assets that you need, okay? So this is only for the current VIP that will not interest those which doesn't have a VIP. Maybe they like to be aware about this, okay? But this is for the VIP. I explain those new add-ons, okay? So let me check something. Okay, I will talk about, first of all, the updated Magic Cleaner. I've updated the Magic Cleaner script. You can download the new version, and I will explain with README file included how to install the updated script. It's very easy. Why the updated script? Because I've added the option to delete the cards of Dreamcast called VMU cards, because on some scenario, if the VMU are full, the games might be have some trouble. So in that case, you have the chance to delete the VMU with this new option, clean Dreamcast VMU. Of course, you will lost all saves, because those, you know, are the memory cards of Dreamcast. You have the possibility to delete those memory card, okay? Just a new function. So if you are interested, you can download the Magic Cleaner updated, and you can replace the old one, okay? Then we'll talk the second add-on for the Retro Machine Omega, which is the Cruis in USA add-on for arcade, okay? This is not included on the Retro Machine Omega image. If you want this game, you can add with the mini DLC add-on that I released, and is available for all VIP. First of all, before see the game, it's important when you install it all that you change the emulator. I will show you how. When you see the logo, press quickly A button, and you will enter the run command. There you have to set exactly like you see on this image. You have to set MAME 2003 plus, specific only for this game, okay? The standard emulator is Fanaber Neo. The emulator for this game only, select emulator for ROM, must be like that, okay? Then you can launch. And the game runs pretty well, I have to say. I am a 720 pixel at the moment. It's arcade version, I repeat. There's also the Nintendo 64 version, but it not works so good, to be honest. So let's see together, do ya? Okay, this is the with the system bezel, not the scanline bezel. The scanline bezel is the default one, and there's also the bilinear feature. But in that case, I've disabled the bilinear, and I've set the arcade specific bezel. You know, you can change this with the screen manager. Okay, so it runs very well, I have to say. Pretty impressive, guys. Okay, all green on my screen. So I repeated, you manage this with the screen manager, which is there. Okay. For example, I revert to the scan lines overlay, which I repeat is default, and I enable back bilinear filtering, which makes the image, the picture image, more softer. Okay, softer. So basically, you have the Magic Cleaner updated and the Cruis in USA updated. Those are just the first DLC add-on that are released for the Retro Machine Omega and are totally free and available for every VIP. I don't charge anything. I not sell goods. I just ask for donation to support my work and sustain my work. I need financial help. If you don't understand that, I need financial help to move on and keep on with the Retro Machine project. So I'm not interested to sell image. Just go buy your Chinese Super Mini PC, Super Console, Super PI on Amazon and where you want. It don't interest me. I'm not a shop and I don't sell anything. Just go to buy your Super Chinese PC if you want. Not the case. This is just an image that is available for financial support. This is it, because otherwise I told you there's not way that I can keep on. If you are those think that image should be everything free for all, just remember that one day the creator will be tired to make all on your end totally free and spend the computer equipment, spend energy, spend time, spend their life to make something to give to you totally free. They maybe one day will get tired and the scene will disappear and there will not be any more image. Okay guys, this is the scenario that might be if you don't help a little, a supporter, financial help, a little amount that will not change the life of anyone. To be honest, to the creator it will change a bit. Okay guys, so just a little video. Remember, if you want to boost feature, ask for a VIP and then direct message me on Discord. I repeat, you see the invite on the video description. There will be more video about the Retro Machine Omega, of course. There's not big issue, not negative feedback, just minor things. It's straight. If you have some errors during the loadings or something like that, you have some issue on your very end, because if I'm not able to emulate the error on my side, to repeat the error, I cannot fix and cannot help you. but you keep on the Discord channel to post and report any trouble you have, and when we talk together like always. Okay, so guys, it's finished for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to channel and keep the notification bell to know where the next video will be up, and we will catch up on the next one. Bye.